Hi guys, today we are making chicken Cafreal for all of you all.
Today we are making a healthy chicken Cafreal. Chicken Cafreal itself is healthy. It's just chicken, kothmir or coriander leaves, garlic, ginger, onion. There is the only fat used is oil to fry the chicken and the onions, but we'll use olive oil. It's very expensive, but apparently it's good for the heart, so that's why we are using the olive oil. The way that chicken kafrial becomes unhealthy is the way it is served. Traditionally, we serve it with fried onions and potatoes. Some people put fried tomatoes also. That is the unhealthy part. If we just have the chicken kafrial itself with salad and nothing else, no bread, that's a pretty healthy way to eat, just protein and fiber. On day one, we made the marinade, and today we're going to cook the chicken kafrial. So come, we'll show you the ingredients. See you in the kitchen. Here's our chicken, which we marinated and kept yesterday. So these are the marinade ingredients for marinating 1.5 kilos of chicken. Here we have 8 cloves, 1.5 inch cinnamon tikki, 15 peppercorns, 3 cardamom, 1 scant teaspoon of jeera, cumin seeds, 1 scant teaspoon of turmeric, about 8 to 10 big garlic cloves. Even if you're using the smaller garlic cloves, use 10 only. And this is about 1.5 inches of ginger, 5 green chilies, and a handful of coriander leaves. See, this kind of a handful with the roots chopped off. All of this we are going to grind together in little water to make the marinade. And as you can see, we washed and prepared the chicken. We have put these slits so that we can rub the marinade in well. Now we'll put all the marinade ingredients in the mixer and grind. We used about 3/4 cup water to grind the marinade ingredients very fine. Now we'll mix the marinade thoroughly into the chicken. Maria is nicely mixing the marinade into the chicken pieces. We are marinating this today and we are going to cook it tomorrow. You don't need to marinate it for such a long time, even 4-5 hours will do. Overnight in the fridge also it will marinate beautifully. Keeping it for longer time doesn't harm, only helps. Some even marinate chicken for kafrial 2 days in advance, cook it on the 3rd day and eat it on the 4th day. Now we are going to cover this chicken so it doesn't dry out and keep it in the fridge overnight. See you guys tomorrow. And today to cook the chicken we have olive oil to fry the chicken, 2 sliced onions, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of jaggery, and about 2 tablespoons of Goan coconut vinegar. That's it. That's all we need to make our chicken Cafreal. Start the gas on a high flame. We're going to start by frying the chicken pieces that we marinated yesterday. We'll shake the marinade off each piece and give it a little bit of color. Add enough oil to fry the chicken. We used about 3 tablespoons. So I've put the olive oil on a bit of a high heat to sear the chicken pieces. We'll fry the chicken for about 5 minutes on each side. Don't put too many pieces to fry at a time, otherwise the chicken will release water and then it won't cook properly. You have to fry the chicken in batches to avoid releasing water. Once water comes out, it's not possible to fry the chicken. This is the same reason why we have not put any salt in the chicken till now. Neither in the marinade nor on the chicken. We'll salt later. Otherwise, salt will release the water and we won't be able to fry our chicken. There. See, some color has come. We just have to fry the chicken enough till a little color comes. This will seal the juices into the chicken. Our first batch of chicken is fried, so we'll set it aside while we fry the rest. We fried our 1.5 kilos of chicken in 3 batches. For 1 kilo, you can do it in 2 batches. Scrape off some of the masala remaining in the oil in between batches if you think it could burn. Continue like this till all the chicken is fried. Keep the extra marinade left in the bowl for later. Now all our chicken is pre-fried, we'll move on to the next step. Fry the onions in the same pan so that they pick up the chicken masala in the pan. Cook the onions till they turn opaque, about 5 minutes. Then add all the chicken back to the pan. Add any remaining marinade also. Mix the chicken in with the onions. Turn the flame down. Add salt at this stage to help the chicken release its water. Cover and cook for 15 minutes, turning once in between. When you turn the chicken, add vinegar and jaggery. Cover the chicken and cook till done, about 10 minutes. By now the chicken is cooked and the gravy is thin. If you like thin gravy, the dish is ready. But we like to cook it further, open on a high flame to thicken the gravy. That's the way we like our Cafreal. Taste and adjust salt, vinegar and jaggery as needed. We added a touch more jaggery. Keep a watch, the gravy thickens quite quickly. That's the thickness we want. So now we switch off the flame and get ready for lunch. Usually we used to eat chicken Cafreal with bread and butter. But because we are on a low carb diet, we are having chicken Cafreal only with salad today. This is just a pure protein and fiber meal. Very good for controlling blood sugar and weight.
Yeah.
A healthy chicken Cafreal lunch with lots of love from our home to yours. Stay well, guys.